Hey guys, welcome back to the Bold Hairspring. My name is Ivan and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you a couple of Colareb straps which they sent to me a couple of weeks ago and I'm blown away. I'm a bracelets guy and this is my first experience with premium straps of any kind, so I'm genuinely impressed by the quality of these. The blue one on my Orient is the Colareb Napoli, while on my non-branded Flieger I've got the Colareb Racing, and both are really nice. Colareb is an Italian watch straps manufacturer that's been in the business since the year I was born, which is 1990. All their products are hand-finished and 100% made in Italy, and they're divided into 4 categories, which are elegant, casual, short, and vintage. And yeah, most of their straps are made of genuine leather, but they also have a great selection of animal-free straps for those who prefer them. So guys, make sure you have a look at their catalog, as I'm sure you'll find something that you like. Alright, let's start talking about the straps themselves. I've never reviewed a strap before, so if I fail to give you all the information you need, drop me a comment and I'll reply back as soon as possible. Guys, this is the box the straps came in. It's a simple minimalistic packaging that ensures the safe arrival of your precious straps. And let me tell you something, the unboxing experience is very nice because the moment you open this little box, you immediately smell the leather, and that is a good sign. As you know, real leather has a distinct woody sort of smell, while false leather usually smells like chemicals. Then, when you take them out of the box, you realize that the quality is really good. They feel durable, but at the same time soft and flexible. The stitching, the cuts, everything is very precisely done and well finished. And of course, they come with their own spring bars. Here is the Napoli strap on my Orient Envoy, and guys, this is a very special watch in my collection because it was the watch I had on my wrist the night I asked my wife to marry me, and she thought it was a Rolex Cellini, so she said yes. No, I'm just kidding, she has no idea about watches. Anyways, it was one of the best nights in my life. We were in the great company of some very good friends of ours, and for that reason this watch will always stay in my collection. However, I always thought that it needed a better strap. At first I used the cheap mesh bracelet, but I'm sure you agree with me that this blue Colareb strap suits it much better. It really goes well with the blue handset and it's way more comfortable thanks to the soft padding. It has a matching stitching on both sides and the metal hardware is nice as well. I would say it has completely transformed my watch, and I believe that it makes it look a little bit more expensive. If you go to Colareb's website, you'll see that it's available in 3 different sizes, 20, 21 and 22 millimeters, and in 5 colors, which are grey, blue, rust, dark brown and brown, and all of them cost €75 plus shipping. Next, let's have a closer look at the racing strap, which I've installed on my non-branded Flieger from AliExpress. Ideally, you would want to put this strap on a chronograph, but as you can see, it also looks great on this blue dial €90 AliExpress watch. I'll leave the link in the description below in case you want to check it out, as I haven't reviewed it yet. But I'll tell you very briefly that it's one of the best sub €100 watches I've ever bought. The blue sunburst dial is gorgeous and it's protected by a sapphire crystal. Then on the back you've got a mineral crystal exhibition case back exposing the hand winding movement, which looks amazing. It doesn't hack, but it's very accurate. The original strap looks alright, but it's very hard and it lacks flexibility, which is precisely why I've replaced it with the Colareb Racing. The Colareb Racing is part of their casual collection. It's available in 20 and 22 millimeters in 3 different colors: black, dark brown, which is the one I have, and tan. The price is €56, and just like the Napoli, the quality is outstanding, guys. This one feels a little bit more substantial, it's thicker, and since it's also hand finished, everything is pretty much perfect. The holes are perfectly cut, the band keeper has a string attached so that it doesn't move around too much, and finally the buckle is milled. On the wrist it's super comfortable and it looks great, and if you have something like, let's say, a Hamilton chronograph Intramatic or a Tudor Black Bay chronograph, I believe this strap will complement your watch very well. So yeah, to sum things up, Colareb straps are awesome. Their prices range from €35 to €99, which for the quality they offer, I think it's more than fair. But hey, as always, I would love to hear your opinion. Let me know what you think about Colareb straps and whether you have ever purchased from them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. That's the end of today's video. Next week, instead of Italian straps, I'll be reviewing an Italian watch which has just been announced. The brand is Venezianico and the model I'll be reviewing has some really good specs, so definitely keep an eye on the channel. Once again guys, thank you for stopping by, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.